When most people think of Medellin, they imagine Pablo Escobar and cocaine. But forget all that, because the Medellin I'm about to show you is full of beauty and culture. Hello and welcome back. Today we're exploring a fairy tale hilltop castle, escaping to a peaceful mountain park, standing among giant bronze statues, and visiting a shopping mall completely covered in flowers. This is Medellin, Colombia. Real quick, I wanted to let you know that I wrote a 30-day devotional inspired by Matthew 11:25 with short reflections, prayers, and journal prompts. If you have been blessed by our channel, this is a great way to support what we do. Grab your copy today. The link is in the description below. Let's start in the heart of the city, where 23 giant bronze sculptures are waiting. Located right in front of the Museum of Antioquia lies Plaza Botero. This open-air museum is dedicated to the works of Fernando Botero, Colombia's most famous contemporary artist, known for his sculptures and paintings featuring exaggerated, voluptuous figures. In the plaza, you will see 23 bronze statues donated by Botero himself, including the hand, Roman soldiers, Adam and Eve, and the cat. Sculptures are massive and interactive, and visitors are encouraged to touch and even pose with them. Come early in the morning or late in the afternoon for the best light and fewer crowds. But the real magic happens when you leave the city behind, floating above the treetops and arriving in a world where the air feels different. High above the mountains, above Medellin, sits Parque Arví, 16,000 hectare park with 1,760 hectares of preserved forest. The best way to get there is by metro and metro cable. This 30-minute trip offers stunning views over a forest canopy. It's famous for having over 70 species of birds, 72 types of butterflies, 19 mammals species, and many orchids. There are outdoor activities, hiking, guided tours, markets, and family attractions. While we were there, they were having a farmer's market with food and items from local businesses. There's also a canopy of plants that was just beautiful to walk through. There are plenty of places for that perfect Instagram photo, along with coffee and gift shop as well. They are open Tuesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sundays 8:30 to 6. Just a note, it is closed on Mondays unless it's a holiday. From mountains to royalty, in El Poblado neighborhood sits El Castillo, a French Gothic-style castle built in 1930, inspired by the Loire Valley Chateau in France. Inside, 14 rooms display European porcelain, stained glass, tapestries, and works by Colombian artists. Unfortunately, we were not allowed to record inside. Outside, perfectly manicured French gardens invite you to slow down and take in the view. Admission is 22,000 pesos for the garden or 27,000 pesos for a full guided tour. English tours are offered twice daily, once at 11 a.m. and at 3 p.m. It's a peaceful escape right inside the middle of the city. It's part museum, part park, and 100% enchanting. While we were there, They were having a car show, and it was really fun to see all the cars. And finally, a mall like you've never seen before. Imagine walking into a mall and finding yourself standing in the middle of a 200,000 flower masterpiece. Every August during the Fiera de las Flores, the Santa Fe Mall transforms into a massive 1,000 square meter floral carpet made from over 200,000 flowers. This year's centerpiece is a giant hot air balloon sculpture that seems to float above the blooms. And yes, you can step inside the basket. Even after the festival ends on August 10th, the display stays up until August 31st, giving you plenty of time to see it yourself. From the playful bronze statues of Plaza Botero to the fresh air of Parque Arví, the elegance of El Castillo, and the vibrant colors of the Santa Fe Mall flower carpet, Medellín is full of surprises. It's not just a destination, it's an experience of nature, history, and color. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us for more adventures across beautiful Colombia. God bless, and see you in the next one.